Actually, this is the song, Bengali song, which was written by Anjay Dotto in 90s. Thank you, Honorable Speaker, for giving me the floor in this Parliament. The bill I am raising in this Parliament with your permission is the House believes that television has bad influence. Well, first of all, let's come to the definition. A television or a television set is electrical equipment consisting of a box with a glass screen on it, on which was programs with pictures and sound. Bad influence means something or someone that teaches others to do wrong and encourages wrong actions and thoughts by example. Actually, has is a special meaning. It's an auxiliary verb, but it contains something, maybe good or bad. Well, actually, there are lots of people in our country who are facing much problem by watching television, but we just take the great one and we just ignore them. So we, the government, extremely highlighted those people who are trying to say that television just destroy us, television just destroy us. So, according to tests conducted on 3,500 adults from 2013 to 2019, people who watch more television lost their verbal memory. At least two of those who watch less television at much moment. In this Parliament, we are raising the bill. We will explain the reason for supporting the bill in the light of 7 main points, which is complete explanation. Number 1, steal time. If your child spends too much time on television, they can lose their precious time, which they could have spent on more productive tasks. In Indonesia, meanwhile, advertising have been jostling to get a slice of huge TV viewership. 9 out of 10 people watch television every single day. It means that they just totally make their time silver. Number 2, kills creativity and imagination. If your child spends too much time on television instead of going outside and exploring in the real world, you will not able to develop a strong imagination since ideas are presented in front of the screen. Children who watch television excessively stimulate on their mind or come up with fresh ideas of their own, thus passively consuming and not actively creating. Number 3, lack of focus. Kids who spend more than 2 to 3 hours in front of the screen on a daily basis often suffer from a lack of focus in classroom environment. Such kids may also have a greater likelihood of being diagnosed ADHD, Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. This lack of focus and low attention span builds into other domains besides academic, such as sports. The child may be unwillingly participate in some creative and mental calming activities like craft as well. Number 4, lack of language and social skill. Actually, TV doesn't smile, speak or interact with the child. Psychology on the personal level, this affects the child's mental state because he is vulnerable at a point in his life. TV can limit the child's social interaction, affecting language and social skill. In February 2013, the government of Bangladesh banned some cartoon channels just because of children just totally ignore their mother language, which is really unacceptable for a developing country. Number 5, harmful for health. Actually, if you think about our eyes, ultraviolet rays come out from the television, which is really harmful for every kinds of people, and for that reason, especially for the children, because they're facing lots of problems by watching television. 70% of people, 70% children facing these kinds of eye problems by watching television. Actually, if you think about our heart and brain, it's also harmful by watching television. It can destroy a developing brain. And estimated. Actually, by watching television, we can easily bring ourselves at the door of death. And estimated 70.9 million people died from syphilis in 2016, representing 31% of all the global deaths. Of these deaths, 85% are due to heart attack and stroke by watching television, which is really shocking. Number 6, actually people forget their manners and responsibility. Yes, people just forget their manners and responsibilities by watching television because they have much time to spend with their family. They haven't much time to know about their society. They haven't much time to know about their some creativity. So they just make a wall between them and society, which is really unacceptable for anyone. Well, if actually number 7, violence. Actually, TV shows some bad and subcultural thing. For that reason, people can easily take some negative words. They can easily make themselves as a criminal to nation. For that reason, we can easily lose some golden nations, which is really unacceptable for a developing country. The present study document says the presence of television addiction 79, 2,755, 2.9% male and 2.4% female, which is really unacceptable. If the opposition team may be trying to say that television we can easily learn something, it makes us educative. So if you do you really want to win this competition, so please give me the answer of this question. Do you really think that education or learning something is more important than well mentality? Well, actually, if you understand that television has many kinds of problems in our country, we don't ignore the thing. If you ignore the thing, we can easily ignore the golden nations. For that reason, we can easily ignore our development of this country. So, Honorable Speaker, may I get 15 seconds more? If you understand that television has bad influence, we can easily say 4 sectors. Number 1, nation. Number 2, family. Number 3, society. And number 4, our country. Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Please consider.
Assalamualaikum. Thank you so much, my respected speaker, for giving me the floor in this parliament. The bill that has been raised with your permission, the House believes that television has bad influence. Me and my team strongly opposing this bill. Relying on science and technology, television is a blessing in our daily lives. Television plays an important role in all areas of the world of fine art, educational, entertainment, and also economics, informatics, and cultural. Okay, scientist John Logis has discovered this television many positive effects on us. Children are learning various knowing and educational things through entertainment through television. Nowadays, it's very difficult to find a TV channel that is 100% child-friendly, but various cartoons have a great impact on self-confidence and their confidence. Children get more creative and by watching cartoons, films, and travel shows, which uses their imagination and provides entertainment as well as education in the programs. Durunto TV also works great. Our children who have some concerns about adopting foreign culture as well as entertaining more. It also makes our children more creative. Durunto Shomoy for the physical and health, family games, Ma Baba Sheba, and also show various plays and novels, Rabindranath and Kazi Nazrul Islam. 80% of households in Bangladesh have television. There are many plays in Bangladesh. When children want to be able to reach certain schools and mobile networks, the only medium of education is television. In addition, the Shongshad Bangladesh Television has adopted a subject-based teaching program for primary and secondary level students. ঘরে বসে শিখি without interrupting the studies of students. If we consider from the economic point of view, various government and private channels at home and avoided are making money in various ways through company advertisement. The demand of smart TV is increasing day by day. It is beneficial the people, the sake of our people, the sake of our country. Television is my Prime Minister said that television is extremely harmful to suffer some various diseases, which is completely misconception. Watch TV at a distance of 25 centimeters does us no harm, but it does us a lot of learning things. Television is very expensive and it's very helpful for our nation. So the question for my government side is, can the show any other media will make the whole world prosperous by watching TV and listening at the same time? If it has such a bad side, then why is the demand for smart TV increasing day by day? In this parliament today, this proposal will not be accepted in any way. So my deputy leader will not discuss following in more detail. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, for giving me the floor in this parliament. The bill that has been raised in this parliament is the House believes that, with your permission, the House believes that the television has bad influence. For some logical facts, I and my team are in the favor of this proposal. Our Prime Minister showed us 7 sectors of this proposal, which are still time, creativity and imagination, lack of focus, lack of language and social skills, harmful for health. People forget their manners and responsibilities and violence. I'll describe the rest of the sectors, which my Prime Minister showed. Firstly, harmful for health. Lack of proper physical activity and too much screen time can lead to vision problems. Kids who watch too much TV are at the risk of developing lazy eye syndrome. In this condition, a child experiences blurry or reduced vision, which is non-correctable by glasses or lenses. Researchers Clages Shelton and Clages found that when watching TV, the metabolic rate is slower than while just resting. This is why the people who watch TV are more likely to be overweight. Researchers in Australia found that people who spend hours watching television greatly increase the chance of dying from heart attacks, strokes. People who sat front of television more than 4 hours a day were 80% more likely to die for reasons linked to heart and artery diseases. Information from theguardian.com. Secondly, I would like to talk about people forget their manners and responsibility. TV is full of programs and commercials that show risky behaviors and that can affect the child's actions. A child can learn manners by socializing. Kids who watch a lot of TV do not have time to social interact or play. TV is a way the time they get to social interact and interact with children of their sociality, and that may affect their knowledge and understanding of social interaction and behaviors and manners. A study by John Hopkins University stated kids who watch too much TV more than 2 hours a day can have manner problems. Our opposition showed us the facts of education. Is education means that education is the most important thing, then world mentality? Last but not the least is violence. Movie and other TV shows may exaggerate reality and create extremely violent scenes online, which may terrifying for kids. The violence portrayed in a positive light in superhero movies and gives them an idea that it's okay to be violent. If a child learns violence from his childhood, he may think that solution of every problem is violence and start doing crimes, following movies like Child's Play, Born Innocent, etc. I would like to give an example. The film Child's Play was alleged to have inspired both of the killers of toddlers James Bulger and the two boys from Islington near Doncaster who in 2010 brutally tortured two boys of a similar age. What will my opposition will tell about it? Can you have 15 seconds more? I would like to finish with a poem by Rodol, which belongs to our proposal. Which is television. It robs the sense of the head. It kills imagination dead. It clogs and clutters up the mind. It makes a child so dull and blind. He can no longer understand a fantasy, a fairy land. His brain becomes as soft as cheese. His power of thinking rust and freeze. He cannot think, he only sees. We strongly believe that television has bad influence, so consider it. So please consider it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, respectable speaker, for giving me the floor in this parliament. Today the bill has been raised with your permission that the House believes that television has bad influence. Me and my team strongly opposing the proposal. Francis Bacon says that those who know little about science will assist and those who know good science will believe in God. Similarly, if we look it with right information and good conscience, we can see that there are many good aspects from the bad side of television, which the government party doesn't accept in any way. We all know that John Lucky invented television and made the whole world prosperous. Television is a medium through which play a great role in important fields. Important fields are entertainment, education, culture, economy, information. In America, educator Edgar Dale attached the greatest importance to television as an audiovisual learning material for his experience learning theory. The current corona pandemic is also conducting educational activities in various countries like Brazil, Mexico, China, Korea, India through the educational channel. PR Alpha is the education channel in Germany. There is also a channel in Pakistan named Teleschool. After World War II, the teacher shortage occurred. Then Ford Foundation spent $1 million to educate children elders by television. On that time, without television, how could they people become interested in agriculture and get various education related to agriculture. The government minister said that television has many bad influence by their speech. The Prime Minister also said that without education and learning, how could we have well mentality? But my speech for well mentality, we must need educated and learn something. Without it, how our mentality will develop? Can I have 15 seconds more? If the television has bad influence, then why are the 14 substation and 2 centers of our Bangladesh are successful in their activities? Question to government. That's why me and my party don't want to pass the proposal in this parliament. Thank you so much, all of you.
Thank you, Honourable Speaker, for giving me the floor in this Parliament. The bill that has been raised in this Parliament, with your permission, in the House believes that television has bad influence. I am in favour of it for some important reasonable reasons. First of all, I would like to make you aware about what the opposition leader asks a question. The question answer is children haven't much time to watch sun because they are addicted to watching television. Our opposition team highlighted their musical things. Another study conducted at the University of the Sydney found that children who watch a lot of TV, they have a narrow arteries in their eyes, which is an indication of heart rate. A UNICEF survey found that 70% of the children in the country do not see things well in the distance. In Asian countries, the number of people with myopia has doubled or tripled in the last 40 years. In 1955, 80% of 20 years old in South Korea suffers from myopia. In 2011, that number stood at 96%. In Hong Kong, Singapore and Taiwan, the figure is 80%. Addiction to various TV programs and is pushing them towards the various mental illness, including cataracts, retina, brain and heart problems. Researchers found that prolonged TV viewing might lower cognitive abilities related to short-term memory, early reading skill, and language development. TV programs have a great impact on our society. Some people get aware from these TV programs. People also learn new ideas. I don't think so. Media always give hype to any issue. In my opinion, showing time on television create negative behaviors among the people as explained in Meanwhile Series of Television Analysis. I have a proof to clear it, your Honourable Speaker, that years ago in available criminals were studying broadcasted US Western movies in accordance with Jane Knowles, the elaborated plan for bank robbery on for attack on car transferring money. They also realized it successfully during the next week after watching movie. Here children forget their manners by watching TV. Sometimes there are some scenes on TV that do not go with our culture and prevents children from developing good manners. So watching TV, children forget their traditions, language and cultures. They are more inclined towards other cultures. They have lost their creative spirit by wasting their time watching TV and they are lagging behind in many things that are extremely harmful to us. If we continue like this, our future generation will be harmed. For all these reasonable reasons, my team and I are in favor of the bill that television has bad influence. Even I think by looking at the evidence and various information provided by my team, you all understand that how harmful television is and I would like if you all understand that how harmful television is and you all will agree with us. Before ending my speech, I would like to tell you a part of poem. The name of poem is Television, which is written by Rod Dog. The most important thing we have learned so far as children are concerned is never let them near your television set, or better still, just don't install the idiotic thing at all. Thank you, Honourable Speaker, because
Assalamualaikum. Thank you, respectable Speaker, for giving me the floor in this Parliament. The bill that has been raised with your permission in the House believes that television is bad influence. My party and I strongly oppose the proposal. But the government party
want to admit that the good side of television is more noticeable than the bad side. But only when we analyze the information of our team with proper judgment and conscience, we can understand how reasonable we are. Respectable speaker, in today's proposal, when the government party analyzed, they defined and gave the context and the bad aspects of television that they want to establish. They are the ones they cause mental, political, economy problems. Respectable is a medium where our right managed is developed. Television plays an important role in education also. And in addition, television was the only medium in our country when all the people were under house arrest during the economic. Now, respectable speaker, let's see why we win today. As an MB, I will continue to prove it. Let me give an example first. Yunus, a farmer in Akana Upazila of Netopara district, was watching Krishi Divanishe on television one day. There he learned of cultivating an exotic fruit of strawberry, and he cultivated the fruit after a lot of hard work and sold it in the market for around 2,50,000 rupees. Therefore, it is understood that television increases the rank of our knowledge, which is acting as a medium of education for many farmers like Farmer Yunus, which is development arranged for the people for our state. As of 2017, television is the most popular medium in 102 out of 129 countries in the world. In addition, the UK uses 89% of the world's developing countries, according to the BBC. Developing countries, people in our Bangladesh now 80% people use television. In other words, in this case, the program in our television will support the development of the state through conscious broadcasting. Television has worked very successfully in our 5 important fields. Television role in theoretical uses including education during the epidemic. Respectable speaker, based on all the arguments of my party, we have been able to show that our arguments are more acceptable and strong than the arguments of the government party. So, respectable speaker, I emphasize that this proposal will not be passed in Parliament today. This will be helpful for the development of our country, of our people. Thank you, respectable speaker. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, my respectable speaker, for giving me the floor again. The bill that come up in this parliament is that television has that influence. I am strongly opposing this because television is most important for our nation. Because my opposing team said that watching television causes eye problems and rare disease. It's fully misconception for the government side. Because television shows and teach and about different crops in different countries, which inspire and educate the farmers. Sadly, this argument is completely wrong. Because children learn from the family, they see, so family has to be aware. Children need to sit and aside 1 or that 1 hour a day to watch TV. They also want to do the creativities, and children watch by watching cartoons, so television can't be blamed. Honorable Speaker, he said that children's eye problem as a result watching television. So I will ignore television. So that sun's ultraviolet is very harmful for us. We can ignore the sun's ultraviolet. Thank you, Respectable Speaker.
First of all, our opposition team actually highlighted few points, but they are trying to find some logic and they become illogical, and they totally prove themselves wrong. Number one, they highlight that we can easily learn something, we become educated by watching television. So, what's the importance of books? We can easily learn something. If we want, we can easily learn something from books, newspaper, current affairs. So they just totally ignore the thing. They just our words, actually a coin has both of the sides. They just take the one side of the coin. So the opposition team uses prove themselves again wrong. Number two, they're trying to highlight, and that is agriculture. Well, actually, and they say that if the farmer is not educated, how can he learn? How can he know about agriculture? So actually, there are a lot of people who know how to use mobile, how to use radio. So I think that opportunity again prove themselves wrong. Number three, they are trying to highlight the parents' mentality. Actually, there are lots of people who are also addicted on television. So how can it say that parents, it depends on parents' mentality, and some of the parents are also stuck with some jobs. So it means that the opposition team again becomes illogical. Number four, practical. Actually, they ignore the thing. Yeah, we can easily learn that we accept that television has bad influence. Yeah, but it means that a coin has both of the sides. I didn't say that a coin has a both of the sides. We don't take a great side of the coin. So if we learn something but we can't speak, we can't say anything to television. So our education is totally incomplete. If we don't know anything about our life, it means that our education is totally incomplete. We have to create something. We have to know something, but by watching television, children just totally ignore their ideas. They just totally ignore their creativity. They can easily destroy their creativity sense. And number five, they are just totally ignore our speech. We, the government team, gave you the answer of your question, and that is you highlighted sun. Then why we see sun, right? So actually, children have a must time. They are addicted to television. So how they have a must time to spend with environment. They have a must time to know something about sun. So by watching television, they can easily waste their time and use and the opposition team totally ignore this thing. A man lived in India. An episode of his favorite serial was so emotionally disturbing that a 65-year-old man reportedly grabbed a heart attack and died here on Monday night. The story is from July 6, 2016, Times of India. Well, so how can I say that television has a bad influence? So again, the opposition team proved themselves wrong. And actually, it's harmful for our emotion, and they just totally ignore our emotions. There are lots of movies who can easily make people aware. Well, we all know that excess living is a real harmful. There are some horrible films can easily destroy children well developing brain, and it's also harmful for both people.
You have to conclude in 10 seconds. In 10 seconds.
Okay. Children is totally ignore to eat something which is really harmful for their health. So how can we ignore the thing? How can we ignore the one side of television? We don't say that television has a great impact. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, for giving me the floor in this Parliament. The bill that I am raising in this Parliament is the House believes that television has bad influence. Now I am defining the bill. Television means an electronic device with a screen that visualizes images with sound. On the other hand, bad influence means something or someone that teaches others to do wrong or to have bad impact. So, according to tests conducted on 3,500 adults from 2013 to 2019, people who watch more television lost their verbal memory at least twice of those who watch less television. According to those, at such moment, we, the government team, is raising the bill in this Parliament. People in the house are usually tuned into TV, siblings as well as parents. It is common to use TV as a substitute babysitter. But how does watching TV really affect children? The answer is majority experts think that television has a bad effect on children and may prevent kids from being smart. Excessive amount of watching TV can make us weaker as a gentle dying ray comes out of the television. Researchers from the University of Sydney report a link between total screen time and retinal artery width in children. Kids with lots of screen time were found to have narrow artery in their eyes, which indicate to heart rate. On average, Americans spend 4 to 5 hours watching television. American research says 83% of children by age 8 watch television for more than 2 hours a day. The chance of developing diabetes for watching TV every 2 hours increases by 20%, and the risk for increasing heart disease increases by 15%. So, a 2014 study published in the International Journal of Cardiology suggested that children aged 2 to 10 who watch television more than 2 hours a day is 30% more likely to be at blood pressure, and the lack of physical activities increase the risk even more by 50%. So that means people or kids will die quickly at an earlier age with a host of health problems due to watching television. So we should think again before turning to this program. People who watch more television are usually overweight, according to the Medical Association. 69.2% of people in the United States are either obese or overweight. Anyone naturally eats more when he or she is watching TV because you don't realize that your stomach is already full. Also, they are not running, jumping, or doing activities that burn calories and increase metabolism. So they are becoming unhealthy and lazy. And also, television is cutting down on sports time. As a result, they are becoming inactive. According to a speech and language expert, Dr. Sally Ward, 20 years of research shows that kids who are bombarded by the background TV noise have trouble paying attention to the voices where there is also background noise. Kids who watch lots of television have trouble paying attention to the teachers because they are accustomed to the fast-paced visual stimulation on TV. So, we can say that television creates bad effect in our eyes, ear, and most important, brain. And watching TV increases the risk of many diseases like diabetes, heart disease, blood pressure, overweight, etc. That means television has a very bad effect on our physical health. So, that was all about physical bad effects of a television. My minister will describe the next 3 main points of a television. So, Honorable Judge, please consider our matter, and thank you all for listening to me very carefully. Thank you. Thank you very much.
You can't change the direction of the wind, but you can adjust the stage to reach your destination. Thank you, Honorable Speaker, for giving me the floor in this Parliament. Honorable Speaker, the bill that has been raised in this Parliament is the House believes that television has bad influences. I, the leader of opposition, strongly opposing this bill, and I will explain the proper reasons with 5 points. So, before starting my arguments, I want to start with you. You have talked about eye problems. So, okay, fine. We all know that the television causes eye problems, but the sun also has the purple rays, which is harmful for us. Do we ignore the sun? No. Physical health you have talked about, and you will get the answer from my speech about physical health and verbal memory and about the inactivity of children. Okay, my first argument is television helps in spreading knowledge and improving education system. First of all, I will talk about the students. Honorable Speaker, as I am talking about education, I must salute the contribution of Shangshuk TV in COVID-19 when the education system was stuck. With the help of some mostly educated teachers, daily classes were held by Shangshuk TV. The great advantage came from the BTV networks throughout the country. The arrangement gathered both the students of villages and cities. All kinds of students joined this and improving their knowledge. Nextly, television is a great source of knowledge also. Television reminds us history and culture of our country. Television was telecast in Bangladesh started from 25th December 1968. Television have published a lot of news during Liberation War 1971. The BBC used to publish the real news of the Liberation War and creating awareness. The first published drama on television was Bangla Amar Bangla, which was based on Liberation War, Janotar Kache Ami, Era Chilo Adhare Protidwandi. It is a drama that was published to increase the knowledge of people. Secondly, my second argument is television can ensure our entertainment. In our busy life, we must need a safe source of entertainment because it is our fundamental right. No one is safe enough in our external environment. So TV can be a safe source of entertainment also. 80% people of Bangladesh watches TV. Reality shows, cinemas, songs, brain games can give a refreshment for hours. For children, TV is an amazing source of entertainment. Duronto TV is a complete package for the children. It is bearing of children 27.76% total population to treat. The channel starts its day with light physical exercise through a program called Duronto Shobai. Khatta Micha, Ma Babai Shera are very famous shows on TV. From Duronto TV, children also acquire knowledge on Bangla literature. Golpo Desher Ghumer Deshe, Rong Berangi Golpo reminds the children about the storytelling. Drama serial like Bote Bangabandhu inspires to live life with the highest standards and moral behaviors. Actually, the importance is beyond description. After all, my next argument is television helps the economy greatly. Economy and economical development is the main part of a country. Agriculture is the largest source of employment in Bangladesh. According to the Economic Survey of Bangladesh, it provides 40.7% of total labor force and contributions 14.10% in GDP. Around 3 lakh farmers were benefited from the agriculture programs on TV channels. In 2013, the contribution of TV agriculture was 67%. Hussain and Islam 2012 carried a research that television was used agriculture more than 83%. Matio Manush, Hridoy Matio Manush, Krishi Divanishi, Dipto Krishi, Banglar Krishi, Matir Tane, Krishi Samasya, Sonali Fosol are the famous programs for the farmers. Besides agriculture, there are huge possibilities with television. There are two sources of income from television, subscription and advertisement. By advertisement, the government earns 15% back. Walton is working towards the target of exploiting 1 million televisions in the world market. Engineer Mustafa Nahid Hussain, Chief Executive Officer of Walton High-Tech Industries Limited, said that despite the corona epidemic, the demand of Walton is foreign markets has increased 10 times. Last year, Walton TV sales increased by 85%. So, if there are so many bad influences of TV, then why the demand of TV is great? Please, I think you will give me the answer. So, my next two arguments are television creates mass awareness, television creates employment. So, television creates awareness by telecast news from which our people can be aware of current situation. Employment. There are 14 to 15,000 people who directly depend on television for their living. Besides, there are many more job seekers who earn television. So, if you ignore TV, can we get 5 seconds? Can I get 5 seconds? So, I have a shortage of time. My deputy opposition leader will explain last 2 points. In my speech, I hope I am successful to show that we are right, and that's why the bill will not be accepted in this parliament. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Honourable Speaker, for giving this floor in this parliament. So, firstly, the opposition leader has told that about educational content. There are a few channels that contain educational purpose. They use it as an entertainment purpose. Secondly, she said about entertainment. Kids watch TV to entertain themselves, but they unknowingly become addicted to it. And there are many co-curricular activities like dancing, singing, writing, drawing that can entertain them. It introduces them to their cultures and traditions, practically which television cannot. Thirdly, she talked about agriculture. First of all, there are a few channels that shows farming and cultivation. Moreover, people are losing their interest of watching cultivation news. So she asked me that if about television, why television everyone watch? So I want to answer this. Television everyone watch because they are being addicted to it. So now I will describe about television's mental, moral and social bad impacts. First, television has a bad influence on children's mental health because watching television at an early age can affect children's brain development. A study shows that children missing out on brain development suggests that the kids who have TV in the bedroom are tempted to watch 1.5 and more hours per day. TV viewing maps a kid's mind as it prevents a child from exercising. There are many TV shows that keeps you mesmerized. As when you watch these TV shows, your ability to think creatively and analytically decreases. According to an American research, TV provides no educational benefits for a child under age 2. Rather, worse, it still stands for activities that actually develop his or her brain, like interacting with other people and playing. There are many horror movies that can make you mentally depressed, especially who are kids. Now, come to the point of bad impact of television on a kid's morally. A long-term study conducted by the Millennium Cover Study, published in 2013, found that
children who watch more than 3 hours of television had a higher chance of conduct problems, emotional symptoms, and relationship problems by the age 7 than the children who didn't. TV exposes a kid to negative influences and promotes negative behaviors. TV shows and commercials are usually use violence, alcohol, drug deal, and think more aggressively as kids and when they are older. They are taught by TV that violence is the way to resolve conflicts, as when a TV hero beats up a bad guy to subdue him. According to a 2015 study from the Northern California Institute and Education, so much watching TV as a young adult, especially when combined with not much exercise, linked to lower brain function even before one reaches at middle age. Now, come to the point last but not the least, social impact. Social bad impacts. A recent study by the Center on Alcohol Marketing and Youth found that adolescent presentation to liquor ads on TV expanded by 30% from 2001 to 2006. That's why they used to ask for this junk food. Smoking on programs and TV, smoking on programs and movies can be seen by kids or teenagers. Moreover, the kids who watch TV more than 5 hours are less averse to start smoking. This evidence shows that TV is full of programs and commercials that show risky behaviors that can affect children's socialization. On the speaker, TV viewing takes away the time that your child needs to improve important skills like language, creativity, motor, and social skills. TV viewing takes away the time from reading and improving these skills through practice from Comstock 1991. The more TV kids watch, the more their viewing contributes to the parents' overall stress level. That's because they watch more ads and they are more likely to ask these things. So that means, honorable speaker, television can harm on a kid's creativity, analyticality, educationally, behaviorally, morally, mentally, and socially. And that's because we are saying television has a bad influence. So, honorable speaker, before ending, I have a question to the opposition. If television is so educational, then why do experts forbid 2 years olds to watch television? I hope you will answer. So, honorable speaker, this is most humbly request that please consider my speech and thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum. You may have heard the name of the television who was Mr. Bashar. There was a religious chairman in the movie who was always against television. In his place, watching television was strictly forbidden. Even if someone watched television with his own money, it would be broken. But we'll know the end. Towards the end of the television, the chairman left for us, but later he finds out that he has fallen into the clutches of the broker. So he rented a house and stayed in Dhaka. A few days later, he heard the sound of Labbaik Allahumma Labbaik on a television from his opposite house. He then broke down in tears. He and with the video of the house had not been aired on TV that day, he would not have been able to watch the video of us. Thank you, Honorable Speaker, for giving me the floor in this Parliament. The bill that has been raised today, with your permission, the House believes that television has bad influence. I, the Deputy Leader of Opposition, stand against the bill, and I will explain the reason with perfect evidence. Firstly, I want to ask you, can you give any other technologies which can gather people? Before starting my arguments, I would like to start with the arguments of the opponent team. So the Minister said, on the speaker, they have talked about physical problems, but I think they have totally wrong. Nextly, they have talked about the bad effects, brain development. But despite some negative results, TV have a tremendous impact in improving their imagination, brain development, and creativity. So you don't have the right to defect them from TV. And the opponent, you have talked about kindness. If okay, fine, if I stop seeing television, is it possible to prevent them worse? If you stop seeing television and they use their devices, then how can you say that arguments? Then, Honourable Speaker, all the arguments put forward by our leader of the opposition are more true. The government is unable to present the correct arguments, despite its best efforts. We need to change our outlook, then the development of this country will be fulfilled. Honourable Speaker, now I'll show you how we can develop a country with creating awareness and increasing employment. Television can create awareness. In the current situation, there is no other way to live a safe life without creating awareness. So now I would like to share how a television plays a strong role in mass awareness. Starting with the recent situation, the corona pandemic. Television had given all the latest news on time. Any kind of news used and published in the television first, then in the other content. So the
it creates political awareness also. Media personas analyze the current political scenario and shape the agenda for their programs reflecting the views of people. There are some elected persons who can't read but they fulfill the task by television. I have a question to opponent. If the people are not aware of political awareness, then how can they fulfill their responsibilities? A research was done by WACA 1998 about the positive and negative effects of news channels. Public awareness. The researchers found that all media has positive and vital role in both people's lives and in creating awareness. There was a discussion which shows the percentage distribution of respondents regarding that news channels are increasing political awareness. 53% respondents said news channels are increasing political awareness to that extent. 40% respondents said it is increasing to some extent. And only 5% respondents said news channels do not increase awareness. So it's a huge difference of 55% and 40% against 5%. So how will you explain it? I hope you can realize where the question is. Television help a huge number of people for their employment. The government earned almost half from this purpose. About 14 to 15,000 people directly depend for employment in the field of television. There are jobs as makeup artist, casting director, screenwriter, cinematographer, production designer, etc. on television. So, Honorable Speaker, if the government team wants to ban television, how can they ensure the employment of this huge number of people? I hope my answer successfully proved that television has so many good influence, and that's why I'm still standing against the bill, and this will not be granted.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, for giving me the floor in this parliament. We all know that our life is more than agriculture, information television. After all this discussion, we all can conclude that TV has bad influence. Bad influence like physical, mental, moral, and social bad effects. Physical effects such as eye weakness, heart disease, diabetes, blood pressure, health problem, overnight becoming unhealthy, etc. are very detrimental. The unknowledgeable. We cannot risk our own life for only some entertainment or educational purpose, where there are already many alternatives. Mental, moral, and social bad effects can be dangerous too. Mental bad effects. For an example, depression, perhaps anxiety, etc. can lead to something very harmful for all kinds of ages. Mental bad influence causes its mental health, hampering brain development, decreasing the ability to think analytically, etc. All the shows that TV contains are not good. Most of them contain inappropriate things such as smoking, violence, drug, alcohol, nudity, which can affect people, especially kids. It is very common that people waste their valuable time watching it hour after hour. As a result, health risks increase. Students find TV to be a good source of entertainment, so they tend to be addicted, lose their interest in studies, and they do bad results. Where television is harmful to those things, without which happy and healthy life is impossible, then why we cannot stop the use of it?
Assalamualaikum. Thank you, Honorable Speaker, for giving me the floor in this parliament. The bill that has been raised today with your permission is the House believes that television has bad influence. If we notice properly, we can see that our logic and theory are absolute right. The government team are continuously saying that television has many bad influence. But if we notice properly, we can see that our logical and very strong. I must say that you cannot understand our thoughts. Honorable Speaker, the TV telecast programs for awareness not to teach how can we learn smoking if the people guess and thought about the bad impact, so it is a problem of human, not television. We have already talked about how a TV can help us in physical health, moral health, and others. Today we are not present here for the debate. We are present here for the sake of our country, for the sake of our people. Why the government team are not sincere about the very much popular electronic media television? It is really very disappointing. We are already presented the point successfully in front of everyone. Our leader of opposition and deputy leader of opposition mentioned that how can we develop our country successfully in every field like education, economy, workplace, increase of knowledge, development of mentality and everywhere. I can proudly say that the importance of television can't be ignored. Honorable Speaker, today in this debate, the government team has talked about physical, mental and verbal health, children bad effects, health problem, health problem, disabilities and high pressure. And opposition team, we will develop the country and the people knowledge and improving educational system. Number 2, ensuring the entertainment purpose. And number 3, economical development. Number 4, spreading awareness. And finally, number 5 is increasing of employment. Honorable Speaker, let's see why we win the debate. In today's debate, I will prove that we will win and our logic are more valid than government team. The government team has talked about physical problems, but I think they don't know there is no harm in watching television at a distance of 25 centimeters. Muhammad Afzal Ali, a senior critical care technology, said that I have seen firsthand the difference that entertainment system can make patients waste. In conclusion, taking the point into consideration from a personal perspective without a shadow of a doubt, I am inclined to believe that TV can be seen as a companion only. Today we are able to prove that our logic are so true and more strong than government team. And it is clear that we will win and win the debate today, so this bill will not be acceptable today. Thank you so much, Honorable.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, again for giving me the floor. Today I am standing here for the sake of my people and for the sake of my country. Dear opponents, you are continuously saying that bad influences, bad influences, bad influences. Dear opponents, we all are mortal, but technologies didn't die. The technologies died. Dear opponents, give the answer. If you have an injury in your finger, what will you do? You will cure your injury, but you will not cut your whole finger. That's what are we doing now. Dear opponent, you have talked about the bad effects, but why you are not understanding the good influences, I can understand. Honorable Speaker, they have talked about physical problems, but I think they have totally forgot about mental health. Honorable Speaker, men die more for mental depression. One of primary ways in which hospital patients can live in solace is entertainment. As they have no relatives in their hospital, they can improve their health by entertainment, and that's the TV goes. Nextly, you have talked about the bad effects of brain development, but I think you don't know our outlooks of others. Despite some negative changes, TV has a tremendous impact in improving their imagination, brain development and creativity. Children can know how to be creative and how to develop their brain by TV, because the TV serves more cultural and brain development programs, such as Discovery Channels. The Man vs. Wild is a program of Discovery Channels which teaches us how to survive in the jungle. So how will you explain that? And agriculture, I've already talked about the huge importance of television in my speech, and you are unable to answer my questions what I have asked. You have said about books. The opponent, you have talked about some time waste. Okay, fine. If I stop television seeing, is it possible to prevent time waste? If you stop seeing television, you may use other devices like mobile phones or other consoles. Then how can I say that argument? Because mobile phones or that other consoles may waste your time easily. We have talked about violence, but the television telecasts news for creating awareness, not violence. As we are Bangalis, we are very interested to make in chows. So we are not, as my brief said, the Bangalis are interested, that's why violence is created. You said that television creates eye problems, but your opposition, we can ignore the sun for its purple ray. I think you have got the answer. And you have talked that it's not the same. But if you think properly, I have not said that it's the same. I have just said that we can compare it to another. So, Honorable Speaker, I think there is no doubt that television spreads good influences. Just because something doesn't do what you plan it to do, doesn't mean it's useless. Said by Tom Sexton. If you keep saying just about bad influences, that it will be really disappointing. So I can surely, purely and proudly say that the bill will not be accepted. Thank you so much.
Giving me another chance. So, first of all, my opposition team leader told that television has a great impact on farming also. But I have to say that first of all, there are few TV channels that shows farming and cultivation. Moreover, people are losing their interest of watching cultivational movies. And kids do barely watch television for education. They watch it for an entertainment but get addicted to it. And also they said that if television, we are not watching television, then how can we pass our time? How can we entertain ourselves? Look, here television cuts down on sports time. Nowadays, it's common to see people watching game instead of playing the game. So, as a result, we are not using the proper use of our cultural things like playing game is a very common side of our culture. So we are not using of it because of watching television. She said that Bengali have problems. But we have given a proof of Americans. Okay, Americans are not a joke. American people are rich in their economy, rich in their many times. Okay, so we have given proofs in our many speeches. I think that they haven't listened to them carefully. So I have to say that some famous. They talked about some famous TV channels like Discovery, but kids do not watch them. Most of the kids watch some famous TV cartoon shows that shows violence like Shiva Rudra etc. Study by the Johns Hopkins University states that toddlers who watch television for more than 2 hours a day can have behavioral problems. Honorable Speaker, my opposition team have given some arguments, but not proofs. But we have given a lots of proofs. What proves that we are right and the opposition team are totally wrong. I am giving a bit more proof of that. Research says 2.2 billion people have hearing problem due to watching TV. It's not a joke. Your hearing problem is not a joke. Eye problem is not a joke. Brain problem is not a joke. Developing heart disease, blood pressure, like mental problems, they are not a joke. We love our country, we love our people, and that's why we are saying that we should not telecast TV more because they are hampering in our health problems. Okay, so American research says 61% of children aged 1 and under have watched TV. Statistics of children say 66% of all children under age 2 and 96% of all children by age 8 have watched television. Thus, they have become addicted to it. Okay, so that was all about. So I think that was all about my speech.
Thank you very much.